How to cancel a scheduled Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can cancel a scheduled Lyft ride, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you have scheduled a Lyft ride for a further time and date and now you want to cancel it because now you decide that you no longer want to be able to use that ride. To do this, all you have to do is of course just go ahead and launch the Lyft application here, and let's say you've scheduled a ride before, and now if you want to cancel it, what you want to do is just tap the calendar icon that is known as trips from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it over here, just tap on the edit button next to a scheduled ride over here, and then once you schedule a ride and once you'll be able to find all those rides there, you can just tap the edit right under and then just tap on cancel button in order to cancel that scheduled ride. This way you can cancel a scheduled Lyft ride. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.